What's up, guys? Steve here from Car Break NL. We're getting ready for a quick razz for Gretzky signature puck in the iconic fabrics Patty Wild number 5. 10 spots. Top 2 are going to be winners after 4. Best of luck. Let's do it. It is 11:53. Here's your list. Clay, you got the bookends. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Timestamp on 3, 11:53. 11:53. Last and final. Good luck. And there you go. Jarvis, spot 9. You're going to get first pick. Terry is going to have second pick of whatever's left. So spot 9, spot 5. Congrats. We'll get you a timestamp. Fourth and final. 11:53. And 11:53. So congrats again, Jarvis and Terry. We'll get you your picks in the comments shortly. And thanks for joining us.